Welcome to AlphaCars and Royal Enfield Boston. Today, we're checking out some awesome accessories for your Royal Enfield Hunter 350. All of these accessories I'm about to show you are available to order online from our store, shop.alphacars.com. All of these parts and accessories can be shipped right to your door, even in some cases internationally. Just reach out to us for more information. But let's get right to it. You've probably already noticed both of these bikes have some really cool looking fairings, a Café racer style fairing. Let's start with the red one. It has the same sort of gloss red, color matched quite nicely. And the fit and finish is very nice. And we can see here how it's molded quite nicely around the factory headlight and the gauge cluster there. And now moving on to the blue one. Once again, an awesome color match, same sort of matte finish. And I do like how they have this sort of top black smoked look windshield. If that's, I guess, one word, one way to describe it. And then we can see here, once again, it's molded around the factory gauges quite nicely and really just adds a pretty stunning element to the already nice looking Hunter 350. And you may notice on this blue one, this has a Tripper navigation pod on it. That is also available on our online listing, our online store, sorry. This functions just like any other Tripper navigation unit. It is obviously a genuine Royal Enfield one. And we can see here how the Hunter usually comes with no Tripper navigation pod. So with that, you can link it right to your phone and it'll pop up on there the kind of distance and next way to go, kind of turn-by-turn navigation on that, all integrated via Google Maps. So like I said, that kit is available on our online store. And now the last accessory I'm going to show you is on the back of the bike, and that is a tail tidy. These cards are just some things we have on these accessories, so when people are here in person, they can see how much they are and how to find them on our store. But we have the tail tidy on the blue one here, and let's look at the factory license plate mount on the red one. We can see it has this whole sort of plastic arrangement, kind of hangs down lower, and a lot of bike enthusiasts prefer to do the tail tidy, where it brings it right up to the end of that fender, just gives it a cleaner look at the back, and especially with the Café Racer fairings, I think it looks awesome with that tail tidy. Goes right along with the style. So once again, let's take a look at the side profile there with that tail tidy, and then comparing it to the red one here. Once again, just a lot of business going on back here with the factory setup. We carry tons of other accessories for these bikes as well. In this video, I was just showcasing these few, and we had both the red and blue fairings on these bikes at the same time. One of these bikes is about to go to one of our other locations, so I grabbed them, said, hold on a minute, let's do a cool little video showing both of them next to each other. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Once again, shop.alphacars.com. You can order these parts, have them shipped right to your door, and personalize your Royal Enfield. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.